Samsung is poised to strengthen its presence in the tablet arena with the anticipated Galaxy Tab S10 series. Following the impressive Galaxy Tab S9 lineup, the company appears to be shifting its focus towards larger screen devices. The rumored absence of the 11-inch model indicates a clear move towards the Plus and Ultra variants. However, if you're expecting a significant overhaul in the top-tier model, recent leaks suggest that the updates may lean more towards refinement rather than a complete redesign. Notable leaker Evan Blass has shared what appears to be a render of the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra on X, showcasing the design of this high-end Android tablet. The image reveals that Samsung is retaining the familiar notch at the top of the display, which houses the dual camera system, much like the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. So, if you were wishing for the notch from the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra or Tab S9 Ultra to be eliminated, it seems you might be disappointed with the Tab S10 Ultra. The Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra is rumored to feature an impressive 14.6-inch display, complete with noticeable bezels as depicted in the leaked render. A notable addition this time around is the inclusion of dual USB Type-C ports on the bottom edge, a fresh feature for Samsung's tablets. In terms of overall design, Samsung appears to be sticking with a successful formula. The sleek metal chassis, slim bezels, and that signature notch are all set to return from the previous iteration. Additionally, the leaked render showcases the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra in a gray hue, with a back design that mirrors the vertically aligned dual camera setup of the Tab S9 Ultra. The magnetic connector for the keyboard and other accessories also seems to remain unchanged. Meanwhile, as we already know that Samsung is making waves with its belief that artificial intelligence will revolutionize its product lineup. In 2024, the tech giant rolled out AI features across nearly all its devices, from Galaxy smartphones to bespoke home appliances. Now there's buzz that Samsung is set to enhance accessibility for future Galaxy Tab S10 and DeX users by introducing a dedicated AI key. As many are aware, Samsung offers Bluetooth keyboards compatible with DeX, Windows, and Mac, as well as keyboard covers for those looking to transform their premium Galaxy tablets into DeX-enabled laptop alternatives. With the anticipated Galaxy Tab S10 series on the horizon, a recent leak from WinFuture reveals that Samsung plans to incorporate this AI key into its upcoming Bluetooth keyboards and keyboard covers. A mock-up image suggests the AI key will feature the Galaxy AI logo and could be positioned between the spacebar and the right Alt key on the Galaxy Tab S10 keyboard cover. Recent information hints that the new Galaxy Tab S10 lineup will include two models, the Galaxy Tab S10 Plus and an Ultra variant, both of which will support new optional keyboard accessories. The introduction of the AI key could be a significant differentiator for these latest keyboard attachments compared to their predecessors. While it seems logical for Samsung to develop a dedicated AI key, given its investment in the Galaxy AI suite, the exact functionality of this button remains uncertain. Will it serve a single press-it function, and if so, which one? Or will users have the flexibility to assign any Galaxy AI feature to the AI key? Only time will reveal the answers. Furthermore, the 3C certification for the Tab S10 Plus and S10 Ultra indicates support for 45 watts fast charging. The Tab S9 series featured S Pen compatibility, so it's likely that the new models will also support this accessory. Additionally, since the Galaxy Tab S9 series introduced OLED displays across the board, it's reasonable to expect that the Tab S10 series will follow suit. We anticipate that the upcoming Galaxy S10 tablets will maintain the same storage options as their predecessors, meaning the top-tier Tab S10 Ultra could offer a hopping 1 TB of storage and potentially up to 16 GB of RAM to accommodate all your multitasking need. Historically, Samsung has launched its flagship tablets alongside other prominent devices. For instance, the Galaxy Tab S9 series was introduced in July 2023, coinciding with the release of the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Z Flip 4. Similarly, the Galaxy Tab S8 series made its debut alongside the Galaxy S22 lineup in February 2022. This year, many anticipated the Galaxy Tab S10 series to be revealed at the July 2024 Galaxy Unpacked event, where Samsung showcased their latest foldable devices, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6. However, the tablets were notably absent from the event. Now, it remains uncertain when they will be launched. Nevertheless, industry insider Max Jambor recently hinted on X that the Galaxy Tab S10 series could potentially arrive in October. At the very least, we now have a possible timeline to keep an eye on. Furthermore, since the Tab S9 series was equipped with an IP68 rating for dust and water protection, it's safe to assume that Samsung will uphold this standard in the upcoming Tab S10 lineup. The design of the Galaxy Tab S10 series may not see significant changes, but inside, Samsung is reportedly planning some exciting updates. The company is anticipated to transition to MediaTek processors for its next line of tablets. While there hasn't been any official announcement, trusted leaker Ice Universe hints that the Dimensity 9300 Plus will be the chosen chipset for these devices. Historically, Samsung has relied on Qualcomm's processors for its premium tablet range, but this year marks a potential shift towards MediaTek. This change could be influenced by various factors, particularly the cost of chips, as the Dimensity 9300 Plus is said to be around 10% less expensive than the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Despite this switch, we believe that users won't notice a significant difference in performance, as the Dimensity 9300 Plus is a powerful chipset capable of handling demanding tasks just as effectively as its Qualcomm counterpart. The choice between purchasing the current model or waiting for the next big release is a common conundrum we all face. This is particularly relevant for those eyeing a new tablet, as Samsung is anticipated to unveil its Galaxy Tab S10 series shortly. The Galaxy Tab S9, its predecessor, is an impressive device in its own right, offering all the features and performance expected from a premium tablet in 2024. However, with an upgrade on the horizon, it's understandable to question whether it's wise to delay your purchase. Unfortunately, without official information about the Tab S10 series, providing a clear answer is challenging. At this stage, it's premature to have concrete rumors regarding the pricing of the upcoming Samsung tablets. However, we anticipate that the prices will remain comparable to those of the current Galaxy Tab S9 series. Ultimately, whether to wait for the S10 depends on your individual preferences. We recommend holding out for the Tab S10 series if you're seeking the pinnacle of what Samsung has to offer, or if you want to make a more informed choice by comparing the S9 series with its successor once it launches. On the other hand, if you need a flagship tablet right now, any model from the Tab S9 lineup will serve you well for the next 2 to 3 years. Additionally, you might find them at discounted prices, making them an even more attractive option. So, what are your thoughts on the upcoming Galaxy Tab S10 from Samsung? Share your expectations in the comments below, and for more updates, be sure to check out our channel. Until next time, take care.